We got one. We get the money.
We get the money.
We get the moolah.
We get the moolah.
We get the peso.
We get the peso.
We get the netto.
We get the netto.
We get the skrilla.
We get the skrilla.
We hit the lotto.
We hit the lotto.
We get the bread.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Pesos. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you guys are returning, thank you guys so much for returning. Welcome back, welcome back. Be sure that you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss any more of my uploads or content. So pretty much today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I achieved this look. So this is pretty much my version of a blunt bob with faux locks. I really wanted a unkept look. I didn't want it to be too uniform. I didn't want it to be too crisp. So I did a little research on YouTube and I found a video showing pretty much how to, get your locks to look more natural or lived in, or lifted roots. I didn't want any clean cut roots or parts. So thanks to Winnie Jean on YouTube, she has a video that inspired me to do this look. I'll be sure to leave her link down in the description box below so you guys could go and check out her channel and check out her version. It came out very, very cute, very inspirational. So shout out to Winnie Jean. Here I am using a Bobbi Boss brand. I really don't think that it matters what type of brand you use. It's just pretty much the concept of wrapping the hair around itself, and once you get down to the end, you just kind of like fold it and wrap it up. I'll show you guys a little later on, but I ended up using 5 bags of hair, which was perfect for this length. It turned out really, really good. I did not part my natural hair with a comb or anything because, like I said, I wanted it to look very, very natural. So what I did was I just kind of like free-handed my parts to make sure. So this is the hair that I use, guys, Bobbi Boss. But I kind of freelance my parts to make it look even more realistic or natural. Even though my hair is thin, I just made sure that I had enough hair within that section to make it look more realistic, and to make sure that it wasn't going to be too much weave and not enough of my natural hair. So it's pretty much kind of self-explanatory. I just wanted to make sure that I had enough of my hair so that it wasn't going to be too much weave on my natural hair. So that's why I freelanced the part in to get a natural look. So here I'm down to the bottom of my lock, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip it. I'm gonna roll it up like that, and then I'm gonna start raveling it up, start twisting it back up to the top, like towards the root of my hair instead. And that's how I achieved this look. Also, you guys, there was a couple of bumps that I hit in the road. Some of my locks ended up being a little longer than what I wanted them to be. So what I did was, once I noticed what lock was too long, I just cut it, and then I got me some nail glue, and I put the nail glue at the end. So if you really want that sharp bob look, there are gonna be some pieces that are not long enough. So I would suggest just trimming it, just cutting it to the length that you want it, and then put the nail glue on to seal the ends. So that's pretty much it, you guys. This look was super quick, super easy. This is my first time not having any clean or crisp parts with the faux locks. So shout out to Winnie Jean for having that idea concept to a more natural look. If you guys are really feeling this video, be sure to leave a comment down below. What's your favorite part? Do you plan on using this type of hair? or do you plan on using a different type of hair for your locks? Again, I used 5 bags to get this length. I'm actually thinking about doing a longer length. I could either I could do either one, a longer length or a shorter length. I might experiment with another. I might experiment with a shorter length. I forgot to mention to you guys that I actually started with the foundation of this style is double twist on my natural hair. So what I did was I washed and conditioned my natural hair. Um, I blow dried it and I just put double twist all over my head. Again, I just kind of free parted. I didn't use like a specific pattern or anything. I just went in with my fingers and freestyled the parting. So Winnie Jean said that she double twisted her hair and she actually left her double twist in for about 2 days. Now with my natural hair, I didn't need to do that because of the type of hair that I have. And the Marley braid hair just kind of matched my texture well enough for me not to have to do that step of the process. So, again, you guys, I really want to thank you guys for staying tuned and watching my content. Also, here, what I'm doing is I'm just making it thicker, just adding on more pieces uh, to the lock to make it a thicker lock. So, um, you could kind of just go along as you please. You could add hair or whatever if you're looking for a smaller style. Of course, you will use less hair. Um, so here I'm just twisting the hair around. I've already finished the end of the lock, and with this extra piece of hair, I'll just keep twisting until it's finally done raveling around. And that's pretty much it. The process is pretty self-explanatory. It's simple. It's a cute little style for the summertime. So shout out to Winnie Jean for creating this or giving me the inspiration for this look. If you guys like it, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content, and make sure you hit that bell so that you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload my next video or content or post on YouTube. If you guys are looking for me to be a little bit more active here, it's actually you're gonna find me more active on Instagram right now. So be sure to follow me on Instagram, you guys. I'm way more active on Instagram. I just haven't had the time, and life has been a lifing, baby. Life has been lifing. So I've been having a lot going on, and I really just haven't had the time to edit my content. But don't stress, don't worry. Your girl will be back at it in no time. Don't worry. So here I am gonna style it for you guys. I am really, really, really loving the outcome. Um, Let me know down in the comments if you guys have if you have the patience to do this style, and if you have done this style, did you like it? How long did it last? Did you have trouble taking it down? How long did it take you to take it down? And in this next clip, I am going to be styling my locks, which in my opinion is so cute and edgy because of the length. So I did a high ponytail, and the way that they fell was just absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god, I loved it. I loved it. This style was just to die for, honestly. I'll be doing some more styles this summer for you guys. So y'all just please stay tuned. Stay tuned and support your girl. I love you guys so much. I'll see y'all in my next video. Mwah.